So I wanted to give you a brief tutorial on how to use BlendSpace in your classroom. So the first thing you'll need to do is either log in or sign up. I'm already signed up, but the easiest way is to log in with Google. Now, let's say we want to create a brand new lesson. You click the new lesson, and then I'm going to make an Algebra 1 graphing lesson. Now, the nice thing about this is an easy place to put all the different resources you need in a lesson. You can just keep adding as much as you want. This is super helpful if you're doing a lesson where you're going to have to access multiple things. If you want the students to do a multiple choice question, but then you want them to go to this website, then another, you can just order them all so that it's easy to just go to the first link, second link, and on. So I'm going to show you how to kind of insert some of these resources. So the first thing I want is just an algebra image, generic algebra. So algebra image, and I'm searching under Google Images. I like this one, grab and drag. So there it is, and that's what it looks like. You can click on it to see what the actual tab would look like. Next, I want a problem of the day. So let's say I can type my question. What does 5 plus 4 equal? And then my options. So the reason this is really helpful is if you ever need students to access their prior knowledge, you can just create a quick, start of the day. There we go. That way they're taking a quick quiz, a good problem of the day, a good introduction to the class. Next, let's say I have a Desmos activity I really like. So there's something I've used before, but it's not easy on one of these tabs. Like it's not a YouTube video, it's not a Google link, but I know what it is. So come over here, and this is the activity I want. So I make my code, and the place that I want students to access is I want them to go to this link exactly. So once I have the link, and from Desmos it's there, but it could be up here depending on what link it is. Here's insert web page. So copy the web page, search, and then you can just grab and drag the website. So if there's a website you want students to go to, it's easy to just insert it right in here. So this will have the students go to whatever link you insert. Let's say I want a video. So I can search YouTube for videos. So graphing lines in slope intercept form. And here it'll give you a bunch of different possibilities. So let's say I know I like this Khan Academy video, I can insert it over there. And then once again, it's very user friendly, but let's say I ordered it incorrectly. I was like, I want the Desmos after they watch the video. You can just grab and move. You can move these boxes however you want. It's really intuitive in order to organize it however you want. So you can search Flickr images. If you have things in your Google Drive, you can search right in your Google Drive. If you have things saved on your desktop, you can just choose the files right from your desktop. So it's really easy to insert things and organize them in the way you want. So in this day and age where we're using so many different websites and we're using so many different resources, this is a great starting point. So you can either use this yourself if you want to kind of give your lesson this way, and this can be something you project. So let's say I want to project this to my students, not something my students are accessing. Oh, I did that wrong. Play, there we are. So you can project this and you can go through it with them one at a time, or you can share this with your students, and this is something they can access and go through with you. That way you don't have to say type in this address or go to this website and go here. It's just all in one landing place, and it's a lot smoother to transition from item to item. I hope you found my video helpful.